I'm Jason, Director of Preda Machine. I'm hereby represent Preda Machine all sales team to wish you a Merry Christmas 2020 and Happy New Year for 2021. Today we are going to show you around on our factory. This is our warehouse where we put the stocks of machines, piece-buff lock formers, gold lockers, TDF flange formers, and etc. Now we are showing you around on our auto duct line production site. This is a customized auto duct line 3 with duplex angle iron flange stations. So we are ready for all kinds of customized orders for customers as per their needs. This is our warehouse, neat and clean. This is an angle iron flange forming line to make angle iron flange automatically. This is one of our hottest sell item in past 3 years, Spire tube former. This is our 2-layer stock places for piece-buff lock formers, TDF folders, rolling machines, angle iron machines, and etc. And that place is for stocking CNC plasma cutting machines, auto duct line 5. All these machines are in stock, ready for your prompt shipments. We are waiting to order from you to prompt ship of the machines. Our colleague is working on the decollers for auto duct line 2 and auto duct line 3, 2 spindle. And this is our 2 layers material places for rollers, materials, and etc. This is our manufacturing plant where we do the fabrications of gears and all the accessories. Thank you very much for the watching.